truck. Mister, you're filming the tree.
Garbage Family Show.
Hey Garbage Family Show friends! A few months ago, I made a YouTube Shorts video of this garbage truck operating in the rain. At last check, it received more than 500,000 views. Thank you! Also, many people have asked to see a full-length version. So here it is. Town of Gilbert, Spartan 300, driven by my good friend Chris. Just like in the Shorts version, there's a serious rainstorm approaching. So, I gotta film as much as I can before I get soaked. Do you think I'll make it? Also, be sure to stay tuned till the end because I have another garbage truck I want to show you. Oh no! That's what happens when you overfill your bins. It can slow the driver down. And if the trash goes onto the engine, it can cause a fire. Never overfill your bins. On to the next one. Ah, that blew right into my face. The wind's picking up and it's starting to rain a little bit. And I have one more street to cover. I hope I make it. Yep, and now it's pouring. I have to admit, following the garbage truck in the rain is a lot of fun. You're really coming down hard! I'm getting totally soaked. My dad remembered that we have an umbrella in the car. A little bit late because I'm already wet, but I'll take it. Good job, Chris. See you around. And this is the bonus garbage truck I told you about. This is my friend John driving the skid steer, and he has a YouTube channel called Behind the Pile. You totally have to check it out because it's very unique. It's a POV of what it's like driving the skid steer and operating as a boat driver.
Our recycling can looks like a piece of trash too. Maybe toss that in.
Maybe he can take that off.
There it goes.
Woo! What?
These guys are really good. Oh, they're on crushing.
Be sure to check out his video Heavy Week of Bulk Piles and a special guest joins the channel. Because halfway in that video, you're gonna see me. So his channel's called Behind the Pile. Check it out. See you in the next one. Bye!